In today's lecture, we will learn how to install Cowsay in Node.js. So for that, we have to type here npm with the proper command. So how we can go with that? We just have to click here in any browser and we will say npm cowsay. So this is the first link where you will click and you will see the proper installation step. It is showing you how many downloads are there, all the other information, the version, the license and all, and how we can install it in a different way. What exactly is this library in Node.js? This is a library which will show you some, it seems to be a configurable talking cow. It's like that. So when I install this app, it's very funny. When I install this app, I'll get the graphics like this. So let me go and we will start how to install it. So Control C, you can just copy this and you can just copy the code also. There are lots of codes. You can just go with it for the shortcut. I'm not going to waste the time for that. So just take the cursor here and just say install. npm I cowsay install. You can work on you can say PowerShell or the code where you can work, or you can just click on this to go to the command prompt. Okay, so if I enter and if I just say enter this npm I cowsay, if this command will work, and we will see whether this command is working. So when Cowsay will install, automatically it will be in your node module. We will be able to see that is in your node module. So just try to click on this and see whatever you have installed, that will be here. You are able to see the Cowsay is in this location. Now we will be able to see to use this. So what we will do, we will just take the cursor back and just take the cursor here. Anywhere you can just make a new file. For example, p.js. You can just go with that. If it is already there in my file, it is already there. So you can name any file. So t.js, nothing. What was the first step? npm I cowsay, or you can put npm install cowsay. Now just take the code from that, or you just type it. It's your choice. So I'm just taking not to waste the time. We know how to go with the code and all. Just Control C and Alt Tab, Control V. So this is your const cowsay wala variable, and you have put it require. That means you are importing it, and this is how there are two types of how we can import. There are two methods, either with the either with the CJS means common JS, or ECMA, that is, or ESM, that is ECMAScript modular approach. So here we are putting required, that means it is a common JS. So just take see, it is showing the intelligence. Now if you just try to run the code, if the code is right, it will show you the particular output which should be. But see, it is showing you something called as .js file is there. There are two options which you can go with. Either you can just click on the package.json and you just type there common JS. So if you click here and you will see type is module. So now you just need to type here common JS, one thing, or if you just go with one particular thing, if I just say COMM common JS, and now I just try to run the code again, and we will see the output is there. See the beautiful output it is showing. But if you want to change it with the eyes, you want to go with the 3O here, for example, or you want to go with some funny thing W here. So you will see this W is the tongue, that is U is the tongue. So now you will see in this place there will be W, and in the place of this there will be triple, the 4 whatever I have given. So you will find the same things here. So you are able to see. So you can just change the things. Other things are inbuilt over there. We will not be able to change. But yes, definitely we can customize it. I can customize it, like this, for example. And if I just try to play it again, you will see it's showing the text like this, and you can just change it. You can change You can put a capital O like this, and if you just try to run the code, and you will see you are getting a beautiful graphics cow here. Otherwise, if we have to write this code, it will be very tedious, and it will be, you know, time consuming, and it will take lots of lines to code. So there is an inbuilt funny library, that is an external module of Node.js which is there. We just have to install it, and we just have to use it. So that's from my end for today. Hope you understand each and everything. So I'll meet you in the next chapter of programming. Till then, take care. Bye bye.